Welcome to my channel, everyone. I'm Maryam, if it's your first time seeing me. In today's video, I am doing this look that you see right here. Spring bling makeup look for 2019. I just wanted to use some pop colors, some new products that are current that I just received in the mail. And I wanted to create something fun for you guys to enjoy and also for myself to enjoy because I tried a lot of different techniques in this video that I'm excited to share with you. So that said, I hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, and for being awesome. Turn on that notification bell if you don't have it turned on already because it is important. Comments, questions down below. Like, and let's go. Let's do this. Okay guys, my foundation is already on. If you want to know what I'm wearing, then watch my previous video, but I'll give you a hint. This is what's on my face. If you want to see a full thorough review, then check it out. Also, my eyebrows are already done. I used just two very simple products today. This very awesome brow pencil from Sigma and this brow gel from The Brow Gal. So I applied the Brow Gal gel first. I kind of just brushed my hairs up and then I filled in any sparse areas with the pencil. Easy peasy, and I think it looks pretty natural. So today for my spring makeup 2019 look, I want to do something a little bit more fresh, a little bit more vibrant, a little bit more vibin', you know? I'm gonna grab my Sugar Rush palette from Flower Beauty. Also gonna grab my Morphe 35G Bronze Goals. I'm gonna start with this shade here called Deserted on a Morphe brush, you guessed it. My lids are already primed and prepped. I'm just gonna apply this to the outer portion of my transition and I'm gonna blend it in right along that eye socket area. By the time this video is published, I will be in Wyoming. And today, the day that I'm actually filming this video, it is 71 degrees in New York City. That is kind of obscene. We usually do not have weather like that during this time of the year. So it's kind of like spring has started in New York, but I am going back to the snow in Wyoming. I am there with Ole Henriksen. I love that brand and I love their products. And we are gonna be doing some really awesome activities at one of the world's most gorgeous resorts called Amangani. All right, I feel like we have a pretty good startup color happening here. Gonna take it a pinch under the brow too and just connect with my invisible nose contour that I never applied, but pretend it's there. Next, I want to use this color right here, which is called Tan Up. I don't know if it looks like a tan to me. I'm gonna use a slightly pointier brush, dip that in, and just start carving out this crease. I want to go a few millimeters above my natural fold because I want a brighter eye look. Doesn't everybody want a brighter eye look? And today I think I want to skip liner because the liner is just so heavy and it adds such drama. I don't think spring is about drama. Of course you could be dramatic if that's who you are, but I just want to go for something a little bit more effortless this time. I'm gonna just flick that out almost in a wing, just like that towards the tail end of the brow. Also, since this is a spring 2019 makeup tutorial, I want to use some new product. So this Morphe palette that I'm using now is a fresh palette, something that I just recently received in the mail, as well as the Flower Beauty. So you can expect that for the rest of the video. Just newness and nothing but newness. Also, do you guys notice how I outline my lips a little bit differently? I was kind of inspired by the way that Lee outlined my lips in our Boyfriend Does My Makeup video. And if you didn't see that video, then I will link that video down below, along with all the products that I'm using per usual. I thoroughly enjoyed and appreciated every single comment and every single piece of advice that you guys have left me on my life update video that I just recently posted. That video wasn't easy for me to share. It wasn't easy to film. It wasn't easy to put together, but I'm so glad I did it because I feel like those are the types of videos that make us a closer community, and not just me and each one of you who's watching, but all of you with each other. I'm gonna do those life updates every few months or so, and I just want to share the good, the bad, the ugly, the pretty, and also the exciting stuff. All right, so now I think I'm ready for a little color. I think I want to go for this dusty rose, and I think I want to add just a little bit to the bottom. The next color that I want to apply is going to be a pop, and I want these two pops to kind of play off of each other. So now I'm going to take a really tiny brush. This one is from Wayne Goss, kind of like a smudger sort of brush. Gonna dip it into this burgundy shade here, and I'm gonna push that color directly into the lash line and just blend it with the previous one. So I don't want it to be a harsh line, just a little darkness. Next, pick up my Huda Beauty Matte and Melted Shadow in this beautiful mint color called Minted and Dinero, because there's nothing in this world that I like more than checks. I want to go for the bold. I want to apply this all over the movable part of the lid very quickly. And then I want to blend that out with my finger, just like that. And then the inner portion, I'm going to use a brush. And I'm just going to spread that evenly. I don't want it to be a super obvious cut crease. I want this line to be somewhat blurred, but I do want there to be a distinction between this color and the brown. Man, that is so pretty and so springy, isn't it? All right, same idea. I'm gonna blend that out with the finger. Just tap, tap, tap. Very easily and gently spread that in the inner portion. It's creamy, it blends easily, it's not patchy at all. So it makes it kind of fun experimenting with this bold color. All right, I'm gonna take a Dinero and I'm gonna apply that to the center like that for a little shimmer. Gonna just tap that out with my finger. Gonna blend that out past the brown. I've been liking that technique a lot lately. It just looks so editorial. I am gonna take my very first brush and just blend it out a pinch. But I'm still gonna keep that sparkle over the brown. Just a little bit more subtle. This looks really pretty. Oh, I'm gonna take a little brush, dip it, and I'm just gonna add a smidge of that to the center of my lower lash line. Ooh, yeah, that's that's what I was going for. So now I'm thinking just a little bit more purple to kind of complete this look. I'm gonna apply that right here into that groove and just kind of bring all of that together. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my STILA Smudge Kajal eyeliner and I'm gonna line my waterline as well as my upper waterline. So essentially I am tight lining. I don't care how many times I do this, I will never be an expert. This is difficult and it tickles and I don't like it. I'm gonna connect this liner here in the inner corner. Also gonna add a smidge of that black right here on the lash line, just on the outer portion though. And then I'm gonna take that tiny little Wayne Goss brush and just seal it in place by gently smudging it out. Definitely something different for me. Also gonna take a little bit of that black liner and just run it along the top lash line, but only on that outer corner wing. I really don't want to have a liner. Just want to connect the top to the bottom. And once again, gonna smudge that out. So now some mascara, waterproof, Monsieur Big. That's just the one that I'm currently using. Not to say it's my favorite. This one is a pinch clumpy, but it'll do. All right, so now it's time for some lashes. I'm gonna be using my beloved Love Lashes in the style Leta. I've used these a million times already, and I love them when they're used and abused. Only thing is I gotta remove that glue. Gonna apply those lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, this Persona Honey Gloss is everything that I need in my life right now. Oh! All right, you guys, and here is my final Slam Glam Spring Makeup Look 2019. What do we think? I hope you like this spring bling fling makeup tutorial for 2019. Check out some of my other videos, more tutorials, more reviews, more truth time. Click on them, I dare you. I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah!